Good morning and welcome back to a very exciting vlog. So today is my like fake 21st birthday party. I say fake because it's not my actual birthday, but it's like the only time I'm going to get all my family and friends together for a little gathering at my house. I've got all of these like chairs and bits and pieces out ready. Mum's making a cake kindly, and my dad's making lots of food and stuff for everyone. Everyone's arriving at about 1 o'clock. It's currently like 8:45 maybe, I'm not sure. I've got lots of bits and pieces to do to set up. I have a lovely woman coming round from Wonderwall Hearts, and she's like decorating the house. She's brought like banners and everything. I've got a donut wall, a prosecco wall. It should be really fun. I thought I had to go all out for my 21st. I got my eyelashes done as well because I thought might as well get these done and then wear them in Bali. So I'm very excited. I got my hair freshly done the other day, and I got pastel yellow nails for Bali. So yeah, literally, me and Aiden are flying tomorrow morning, so it's all a bit crazy, but it should be a really fun day. Hattie's coming a bit later. Megan and Lucia stayed around last night. And yeah, we're just going to go run some errands and then start getting ready, makeup, full glam for the day. You say happy birthday! Look how cute you look. Oh, look how cute you are. You say hello to everyone. Boop. 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 Better be careful doing that, otherwise it's going to bite it. But yeah, Lucia and Meg are just upstairs. Ow! Lucia and Meg are just upstairs getting sorted and everything. I'm going to go head to my nan's to go grab some tablecloths. Meg, are you excited for my fake birthday? Yay! Of course I am. We're gonna go run the errands. We're gonna go run the errands.
I can't be who you want me to. Know that fate could so hard, and I could change if I want to. I wanna live my life for me, and I'm not hiding from it.
We're getting drunk today. Look, it's a personalised luggage tag. I've just gone and got a few bits and pieces from my grandparents' house. I just opened this present from my mum and dad. It's the cutest thing ever. It's like a silver 21 necklace on like a little key. I'm just going to wear this today and forever. Let me just put this on the side. But my brother has just brought his presents down for me, so I'm just about to open them.
Yeah, but there's still one more to come.
Oh, no,
Yeah, but I need to.
Aww, that's a funny card. I like that.
Which one?
Ah! Yay! So lots of chocolate, which I'm really happy about. So we've got some Maltesers here. We've got some Lindor, and we've got some celebrations. And then, oh, that's so pretty. So we've got a pink gin and lemonade little tonic. Well, it's not tonic, it's lemonade. Or is it lemonade or is it tonic? Oh, it's tonic.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, G&T. No, I like either way, I'm not bothered. Oh yeah, I did. Oh.
I mean, does it have 20?
And then I saw dudes.
That's the
Right, so basically last week when I went to celebrate Hattie's birthday with Megan and Maddie, Hattie's cousin, we played this game and it was hilarious, and David's clearly listened, and I've got Cards Against Disney. It's really crude, like it's literally like Cards Against Humanity but with Disney characters, so it's even worse. Yeah, it's like little innocent children's characters, but it is a really funny game, so we might have to play that later.
That's what I was hoping we played that.
Yeah, later, if not this evening, like
yeah,
when most people have left or something. But yeah, definitely need to play this before I head off tomorrow. That's so cute. That is so cute. My brother's also got this on, well, like gonna be on its way. Look how cute it is. It's like a little photo heart with like all your like own photos in.
Yeah.
Right, I need to go do my makeup. The next part of the day.
Let's have a look, Charlotte.
Like it.
Oh, you look lovely.
Thank you. Yeah, Lucia's just curled my hair. Looks lovely, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Done all my makeup.
Charlotte.
This is where we're gonna have like a big balloon frame thing and like a big drape so everyone can take photos in front of it. It's just nice. And this is the dress that I got. Mum and Dad kindly gifted it to me.
What?
Hashtag ad.
Hashtag gifted from Mum and Dad. Pretty little thing.
Bunny Bear. Bunny.
Bonnie, my best friend. Bonnie is my best friend.
Wow. Bunny.
Charlotte, I don't be really proud every time we've got everything out.
Thumbnail.
I can't get anything.
So,
Red girl.
Justin Morrison's looking a bit too glam.
And I can see my whole world. And French sticks out the window.
Yeah, we literally just came in, bought 4 French sticks and gonna walk out, so looks a bit weird, but
I'm not really taking any prisoners.
we need to put the prosecco in. Oh wow, they look amazing. Oh, the little balloons. So cute. Oh, they're personalised.
They're so cute. You need to keep one forever until it
Yeah.
Until it will
I
decay.
didn't realise these had my name on. That's so cute.
Little treat bags. Out here.
And if you want to.
So, the lovely lady who's just set up my house is gone. But this is all the things she set up. So we've got this like little white drape all the way down to the floor. Then they've set up these balloons. They've literally just put them all in. I think they're helium as well. She's blown them all up to make this little like, what does she call it? A balloon column. I think she called it a balloon column. And then she's put this little let's party sign here, and we can have lots of like cute photos and stuff around here.
So cute.
Woohoo! And then we've got this gorgeous little table set up here. We've got a donut wall with all pink donuts. Everything is like pink themed. So she's got loads of these sweet jars as well. We've got like marshmallows, squashies, bonbons, loads of other bits and pieces. And she's also given us treat bags, which is so cute. And little tongs. Oh! And then she's put like personalised stickers on these sweets as well. So we've got Charlotte's 21st birthday. I'm going to keep one of these to myself, I think. Just to, like Lucia said, I'm going to keep it until it rots. She's also got little sweet boxes back here that people can take home, which is so cute. Then we've got our little Prosecco wall that we need to fill up. She's also given us like paper straws too, which is so cute. Yeah. Paper straws. Let's party paper plates. And let's party paper cups. Cute.
Because guess what?
Right.
We're going to party.
We're going to party. And we need to put the music on now.
Oh, paper.
Okay. Should we
Okay, and I'll
do that?
sort,
Me and Kira
yeah.
can do that. Okay.
And then maybe put the speaker somewhere here.
You know where my Xbox is? It's in the corner. So if you just
Yeah,
go
plug it in. Maybe even just plug it in over there because there's like a plug round there.
Oh, it is plugged in.
Okay,
you need
cool.
to turn the switch.
Woohoo! Yeet.
Piece of the puzzle that doesn't quite sit. I'm like the square in the hole that just don't fit. And I know exactly who I wanna be. I'm gonna live my life for me, and I'm not hiding from it.
Everyone is here but Hattie! Yay! Hattie's here. Everyone's all in the conservatory and everyone's just in there, like all my family and stuff, just waiting for Hattie to come. We've just had loads of photos by the wall and I've opened loads of presents. I'm really excited. I'm going to film what I got for my 21st, I think, either when I get back from Bali or tonight, depending on what time everyone goes. We're all having a lovely time. It's so amazing. I'm so enjoying myself. The music just stopped and we were all confused and it was because you were ringing. Hey Hat, I'm vlogging.
Happy birthday!
Yay! Megan keeps saying, I keep going, it's my birthday. She's like, it's not.
Well, it is.
And it's
was
rude.
really-
Yay!
There was so much traffic. Mum, I missed like 3 calls of Mum. She goes, where are you? I was like, well, I'm still driving.
Yay! I'm just in the middle of the road, by the way.
I just changed my tree.
Yay! Do you want to get your keys? I always do that, don't worry. Oh, look how good Hat looks in her little yellow dress.
I need to do my makeup.
Looks amazing.
2 minutes because I rushed.
Sophie, say hello to the vlog. Everyone's getting some food. Everyone's indulging. We've got Dad's lasagna. What else have we got? Lasagna. My dad's done his like little potato skins that are delicious. We've got some French stick. We've got loads of cold meats. We've got the donuts. We've got pizza. We've got everything. Yum. Patty's here. Yay! And then the lads are outside. The girlies are eating about the place. Because I'm just making sure, oh sorry, I'm making sure everyone else is feeling at home, you know?
And are they?
Yeah, they are. It seems like they are. I've just have to speak to everyone. Yeah, tried to interrupt the lad chat, but I don't really know what's going on. Auntie Alison and Mum playing a bit of table tennis over there. Fill your boots, girls. Oh, you filled your boots? Oh. So, having a really fun time. We've been playing table tennis. And we've been having a good time, haven't we? What have we been up to?
Okay.
Having some food, drinking. It's been absolutely lovely. We've got loads of food here. What are we getting? There's loads of soft drinks in there. We're gonna have the cake soon.
March has been cancelled.
Oh. Alright. Should be fine.
Ding, ding, we can't play darts because of Barney Bear. So we'll have to play some other game or...
Yeah, we've got Cards Against Disney, you'll laugh at.
Or I could do a bit of a quiz.
Do you want to know one of them? One of them. One of
Disney
them.
quiz.
Piglet's Pink Pussy. That's one of the cards. How bad is that? It's horrible. Right, everyone's here now. Anya's had to leave, Aiden's mum, because she's doing some bits and pieces, but it's been so fun. David's here. Oh, David's here with Fiber. Having a good time. Had too many Prosecco's already. And it's probably showing, which is, I hate. Like, I'd rather just pretend to be normal. I try and be normal though. I'm quite good.
Yeah, or maybe not with table tennis.
Yeah, with table tennis, I'm a bit... I should have filmed table tennis. That was funny. Me and David played against... No. Yeah, we played against David at table tennis and it was just a bit out of hand. Yay! Prosecco's nice, isn't it? Yeah. It's lovely. Barney, are you drunk? Are you drunk yet? Well, are you having a good time?
Yeah.
I'm having a good time. I'm really happy that everyone else seems, well, I hope everyone's having a good time, but it seems like a fun little setting. Yeah, we've got loads of like sweets, food, hot food. My dad and granddad have made like so much hot food, which is amazing. And everyone's sat outside like playing table tennis and just chatting, and I just love having all my favourite people together. We've got so much food. So lovely, isn't it, Soph? I love having all my favourite people together. Woohoo!
We like to drink with...
Is it bad?
It's not my favourite.
Is it dry?
It's extra dry.
Is it dry?
It's extra dry.
It's got like a label.
I feel bad because I've got lip gloss on it.
Like Sambuca.
Wash pit.
Oh, I like that.
Sambuca.
I like that.
There's a dash of Sambuca.
Oh, she likes it. I like it.
Put a straw in it and it's yours. What an intense game then, isn't it?
I'm just, there's nothing happening
Let me
yet.
tell you what I think about Brexit. Yeah? Is that real brainwash?
Ready?
Yeah?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Charlotte. Happy birthday to you. 21? One?
Do it inside.
Oh, man. I don't mind. I'll bring them out.
Do you want to move?
Theoretically. Wait, how old are you? I'm 21. You stupid.
GCSE in it, so I just only did 7 and 8 German.
I just like the idea of going to bed.
It's really hard.
Yeah, that's like my ideal is to cover polyglot.
Hey,
So 5 languages. So English, Spanish, German.
That's my thing.
And then I'll get like a Swedish wife. Learn some Swedish.
I'll just pick up. Everyone seems
Charlotte,
pretty low.
do a vlog.
On the vlog.
I'm gonna
Wait, cake on the vlog? I've just opened up the cake. It's a beautiful daughter. I opened up the cake that my mum has kindly gifted. For her beautiful daughter. Mum's kindly gifted. Wait, let me swallow. A little baguette.
Hey.
Wave for doing my first crime.
Disgusting. But also beautiful.
Fucking one of those.
More than beautiful. It's a beautiful cake.
It's lovely. Okay, you need to update the vlogs.
So we're just about to play for Cards Against Money.
No, Cards Against Disney. There's icing on your forehead. And there's icing on the forehead. Hang on.
That's part of the 18th, the 21st.
Done. The 21st is not 21st without icing on the forehead.
Oh no, look what she's on the cake.
It's driving me crazy.
Shite.
I don't know what I'm going to do for that.
She's good.
So 2.
No, Disney is buying
blank in order to attempt to appeal to a broader audience.
They're buying something. They're all like actions.
Wait, what?
Something Disney
is
can
buying
buy.
something to appeal to a broader audience.
Sets up the vlog.
I didn't even see it there. I'm in a fucking shopping centre or something.
I'm sober.
Fuck, sorry. The fuck I am.
Yeah, well, I already think of it.
Oh no.
You go and can't without remorse, without heart. In your head, you're right, but in my head, you are the bad. I wanna show to the world that you're the best.
Give me some if you want.
Disney took their fans took their protest online demanding the Lion King.
Oh, Aiden, say hey.
Rapunzel,
Aiden, say hey.
apple pie. And
David, say hey. Alex, say hey.
Hello.
Louis, say hey. Hattie, say hey. Lucia, say hey. Hi. Megan, say hey. Sophie, say hey.
I'm waiting all day.
So I'm going to end this vlog here at uni. Obviously I didn't end this vlog because I was absolutely smashed. Like, I wish someone filmed when I'd got home. Well, not when I got home. I was at home. Wish someone filmed basically after I stopped vlogging because Aiden had to pack my Bali suitcase and I was just like smashed on my bed, like could barely string a sentence together. So Aiden's brother was like feeding me toast. I was literally just like dead out on the bed. So big shout out to Aiden for sorting out all of my Bali stuff. I really hope you enjoyed this vlog and spending my 21st with me and my family. Spending my 21st with my friends and family, it was actually amazing. Like, it was like more than what I could have asked for. It was just so fun, and I hope you enjoy seeing my actual 21st birthday in Bali, which will be like one of my next vlogs. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed, subscribe down below if you're new. I will leave all the information about Wonderwall's hearts for all of the event stuff that she brought round, which was amazing. And yeah, thank you very much. Bye.